Hello everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing and reviewing one of my favorite everyday gadget, and it is smartwatch. So actually I've been a fan of watches since I was a little. The smartwatch that I'm gonna unbox and review today, as you can see in the box, it is Amazfit GTS. This Amazfit GTS is the upgrade version of the previous version, Amazfit Bip. We're going to unbox the steel blue color of Amazfit GTS. Without further ado, let's start the video. So if you take a look at the front design, it's similar to the Apple Watch design. Let's take a look at the features here. So the screen already using the AMOLED display. It's water resistant up to 50 meters. It has built-in GPS, long battery life, multi-sport modes like cycling or running, and lastly it's lightweight. There's nothing on the side here and right side, except in the right side you can see the GTS writing is kinda cool, like there is a rainbow color when you rotate its angle. The product name is Amazfit GTS with model name A1914 with input voltage 5V 500 mAh max, compatible with Android and iOS, with connectivity Bluetooth 5. The box contains smartwatch with the straps, charging base, and instruction manual. As you can see here, I picked the steel blue color. So the production date is March 2020, so it's been already a year since it been produced. I'm so curious about it. Let's just open the box here. Okay, yes, this is the box by Amazfit. It's simple as always, white and clear. Let's take out the watch first. There is no barrier for this watch. Let's see what's in this box. So there is an instruction manual here, as you can see. And a charging base inside here. So here is the watch. I just turn it on. The panel is quite bright here. While waiting for this to turn on, the strap is using a full rubber, so it's comfy to wear, and the finishing is good though. There is a quick release here, so if you want to change the strap here, the size more or less than Amazfit Bip. The size of the strap is 20 millimeters, and the back part made of plastic. The finishing with sandstone matte. They are a red monitor sensor, and many other sensor like GPS, PPG, bio tracker. So I turn it on and it looked like this. The watch face look exactly like the same on the watch face on the box. You can actually change the icon here, if you don't want the weather, you can hold it, press edit, and then change it, like you want event reminder, something like that. or you want to change the entire watch face. Just hold it and then swipe, tap, and there you go, new watch faces. If you swipe left, it will give you your status, such as how many steps you do in a day, how many kilometers you step, and how many calories you burn. If you swipe right, it will check your heart rate. It's kind of too long, I guess. If you swipe down, there's controls, such as adjusting the brightness or turn on the do not disturb mode, flashlight, and also locking the screen, so you can clean the screen without disturbing it. If you swipe up, there is status, the AI or personal activity intelligence, heart rate, workouts such as running, cycling, track activities, weather, music, notification, alarm, event reminder settings, and much more. So let's move on to the phone app. So as you can see here, my phone, I already installed the app. It's called Zap. When we launch it, it will show us the home page. Here we can see the steps, the calories, how much I burn, and the sleep score. You can also change your watch faces here. There are so many cool watch faces here. You can just pair the watch and tap on the watch faces you want to install. It will download the watch face and install and synchronize it to your watch. It will take a moment. So here we are, the watch faces, it's installed. It's kind of cool, like a jellyfish. If you swipe here, you can go to the custom mode, so you can install your picture to be your watch faces on your smartwatch, on the Amazfit GTS. Back here you can also settings a lot of things, like unlock your screen if you have your watch near your phone. You can also take incoming call, but you just can take the call in here, not in the watch. You can set event reminder too, watch alarm, app alerts, idle alert, and more. There are so many things that we can settings here, but now I'm just gonna skip this part. So guys, that's all for the unboxing for this smartwatch. I'm going to put the price and the purchase link right down in the description if you want to. Thank you so much for watching this video. Press like if you do like it, subscribe for more. My name is Mustafa, and I'll see you in the next video.